So alright guys, so welcome back to my YouTube channel. Okay guys, as you can see on your screen, I'm going to be doing a vlog for Euro GBP. Yeah, so those of you that saw my last vlog, I've been on the trade since yesterday. So I'm going to show you guys on the screen. I'm going to explain the setup, why I'm taking the trade and all of that, why I took the trade. So we are going to be on this vlog to observe if price is going to take us out on SL, break even, or TP, just as norms, you know what I mean. So first of all, let me show you guys my let me show you MT5. So let's go to trade. Okay, as you can see, GBP USD is running profit. We are running about $37. So, and those of you seeing GBP USD there, okay, that one wants to hit TP. If you watch my former vlog, you know I took some couple of trades and I think I put position in GBP USD. One has hit TP already. This one has hit TP already. So I'm holding this one, I think about $93. So once it gets to this, as you can see on your screen, once it gets to this low, she just take me out. So I'm out of here. But this is none of our business. Our business is Euro GBP. Let's go to Euro GBP chart. So as you can see, first of all, let me go to higher time frame. Let me explain why I took this setup. Let's go to daily time frame first. Now if you observe the structure, you will see that Euro GBP has been an uptrend. It is simple. This one is very, very simple. I don't want to say a lot of things on this blog. Let's just see what's just going to happen. It's on an uptrend. It's taking out the buy side liquidity. So now what you have to do, there was a break of structure from here. Price pull back to this area, move and all of that. Then okay, let's go to forward time frame. So now if you observe, I don't know if you guys observe one of my videos then. Some of you are in my YouTube chat, my Telegram group chat. If you're in my Telegram group, you are supposed to see when I posted this setup concerning Euro GBP before. I was waiting for this price here before. Price to come to this area for me to buy, but price left after the sweep of this liquidity low. But price did not get to my POI, left. So now, this is not the next place that we need to watch out for. Now, why did I take trade from this area? It's very, very easy. As a smart video trader, there was a break of structure from here. Now, after a break of structure, expect price to pull back all the way down to your 4 hours order block or daily order block before you're going to take your entry. Make sure that you spot liquidity or inducement before you take trades. Very, very important. You have to go to a higher time frame. So if you look at the structure, there was an internal break of structure from here. Internal break. So this is the low of the liquidity. So what you're supposed to do as a smart video trader, you're supposed to expect price to come down all the way to sweep this low, sweep all this. All these are inducements because this is the pullback. Inducement is more like trap. And liquidity, these are areas that a lot of big players or VT traders, their stop loss are under this low. So a lot of money are resting in liquidity areas. So that's why they are called liquidity. So you have to wait for either of the two. The two, in fact, it's not even either of the two. The two has to be swept. So price coming down, this was my nearest liquidity that is close to this other block. So some of you ask, why did I not take from here? Why did I take from here? Now let me show you. Let's go to about 1 hour time frame. You need to spot your fair value gaps area. So if you observe any other block that you are seeing fair value gap, that is the other block that you're going to watch out for. So if you observe, this is more like a trap that most traders will not see. Some will put their entry around this area. You get, but once you go to lower time frame, you see that there's a gap here. Me, I've already saw it already. I spot it already. So there's a gap here that price needs to come and fill with this liquidity, which is telling you that okay, this zone is going to be valid, this other block is going to be valid because there's a liquidity low resting on top of the other block, and there's a fair value gap under of the liquidity low. So which is telling you that price just needs to come to this area to come and fill it before it move. So if you saw what happened now, price just tapped. Immediately after the tap, boom. So let's go to 4 hours. So that was why I took this setup from here. So I set this limit here. I will call it in my Telegram group. I think that yesterday I was in good mood when I just sent this signal. Let's see. I just send it to my mentees for them to take trade and let's make money together. I cannot just be in this space and be making money and just leave you guys. It's not making any sense, man. You know what I mean? So you saw what happened? Where is this structure? Okay, so this is the trade. This is the trade when I call the trade. So I said take this free one and enjoy, guys. I was at work yesterday. I was in a good mood. So that I just post this signal, and now we are riding to the moon. So it is what it is. Let's see how this is just going to be. I'll keep you guys updated. Let's just be active. So what I'm expecting that I'm expecting price to just give a change of character. After change of character like this, a pullback, I will take more positions and I will scale up to this high. After this high, I am done. So I'm just going to keep you guys updated. So I'll let you guys know how far the trade is going. So with time, I'm not just saying a lot of things. If you find this video very helpful, just do it to like, share, comment, and engage. You know what time it is. This is the one of the vlog. As you can see, today's date is about 9th of October. So see you guys at the top. I'll keep you guys updated. Stay tuned. Peace out, man. One love. Chee! So alright, guys. So welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, as you can see, today's 10th. This is Friday, 10th of October 2025. So as you can see on your screen, guys, I don't know what's wrong with Euro GBP. Euro GBP is just running. I'll be waiting for. I'll be expecting a pullback. Let me show you guys my MT5. $94. We're running on $94 profit. It's just running. I don't know. I was expecting a pullback down to this area. Let's go to about 2 hours. It is what it is, bro. After this change of character, so I was expecting a pullback down to this area to sweep this liquidity first. To sweep this liquidity low first before we buy. But price is just pumping. And I'm not sure if price is going to come back to this area again. I'm not sure. It's gone already. Price will guess. Takes out this my best side liquidity, this TP here. So any pullback I'll be seeing now, it will be like small pullback and continue, small pullback and continue. But it is what it is, sha. One more. These are making money, oh. Just like this. We're already used to this kind of feeling. So not be today, not today level. So it is what it is. This video is today's vlog is not going to pass more than 4 minutes or 3 minutes. Let me just be here with you guys and let's see how far this is just going to be, you know. I will keep you guys updated. So as we all know, we are in this weekend, so still next week. So we are still going to be on this trade Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. It depends. So let's just see how it will be, you know. So it is what it is. So if you're not in my Telegram group, I don't know what you're doing. No, I called the signal there. The day I called the signal, I was in a very good mood. I was at the office, so I was very happy that I just called the signal. So if you're not in my Telegram group, I don't know what you're doing. The link is still in this description on this video. So just click and join, you know, and let's make a lot of money together. So it is what it is. And those of you that have not used my broker, I don't know what you're waiting for. BlackBull Markets. So before you be in my VIP signal group, because that one is different, two things are always involved. Is either you pay, you're going to pay $100 to be my VIP signal group, or you're going to use my broker link. After registering, then you're going to send me a DM. So I'm going to activate a bonus for you, and we'll start making money. As easy as that. So just choose, and choose wisely, you know. Either you pay $100 to be my VIP signal group, or you use my broker link. They send me a DM. I'm gonna activate a bonus for you. You start making money. So that bonus I'm talking about is your capital. Any amount that you fund, I'm gonna give it back to you. So everything is gonna be your account, and you use it to trade and enjoy yourself, you know. So it is what it is, guys. I will keep you guys updated on this trade. My TP on this trade is I'm targeting $150. So let's see how it's gonna be from now to maybe next week. I'll keep you guys updated. I love you guys so much. So do what to like, share, comment, and engage. You know what time it is. See you guys at the top, and peace out, man. One love. Chee! Alright guys, so welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, as you can see, today's date is 14th of October. This is in the morning around 8:50. So guys, as you can see, back on the game. This is day 3 of the vlog. So as you can see on your screen, this is the trade, Euro GBP. So after all the old many stress, we are still running in huge profits. So let me put my mental to the 5 for you. Okay, we're running it up to about $139. Nice, $140 makes sense. So those of you know how now, after the change of character, I told you guys last week that I'm waiting for pullback for price to get to this area before I take my entry. Though I was kind of skeptical that price is not going to come back, but price came back and hit my entry, did some little jargons yesterday, and this morning, boom. So it is what it is. At least we are up on a huge profit. And those of you, some of you are seeing USD JPY there counting. Okay, you guys are lucky. Let me just explain how I entered that setup. Let's look for UJ. So for UJ, as you can see, this is the retracement. So this is where we're going to buy from. So as you can see, it is very obvious. So let me go to 1 hour. So everything is very obvious here. See what happened? There was a break of structure, change of character, liquidity sweep, impulsive move to break the structure, and now you pull back to take your entry from another block area, if ever look up area. So this was where I took my entry. So I set the limit here, and boom, we are here like this. We are up on in profit. And now there was another change of character. Let's go to about 30 minutes time frame. Now there was another break again, change of character, impulsively pull back to tap me in this breakout block, favor look up area, and drop again. So that's why you're seeing this sell limit again. So but this USD JPY is none of our business. Our main focus here is Euro GBP. We will not start from USD JPY. I will start from Euro GBP. So Euro GBP is our main focus. So this is how we are doing it. So what's going to happen is that I'm going to swing this trade from here straight to this side to take out this buy side liquidity that we are seeing here. So once price just break this structure again, this small buy side liquidity, if I'm going to see any good pullback, I'm going to enter again and swing it to this high. Anything after this place, I am off this trade. If you are trading anything after this buy side liquidity, this external break of structure, that's what we call the danger zone in Forex. And you don't want to trade in danger zone. So it is what it is. So, and if you're not in my Telegram group, I don't know what you're doing though. My students, all of them, they are all make you. I called all the signals there. Let me show you guys. I called all the signals there. But that USD JPY, I called that one in my VIP group. I did not call it in my normal seat, but I say sell limit USD JPY. This was the trade. So, and this was the profit that we're running on and all of that. So it is what it is. But Euro GBP, I called Euro GBP last week on this my Telegram group. So okay, this was the first entry where I was posted the second entry. Where is the main trade? Okay, this is the main trade. So this is the main trade when I called this setup last week, 1 daily time frame. So and now price is moving very smoothly and everybody here are all making. So if you're not here, I don't know what you're doing, bros. So it is what it is. But let's see how this is just gonna be. I'm gonna keep you guys updated on how the trade is moving. So let's just be active and let's see what's gonna happen. So if you have not still used my broker, okay, all the old link they're in the description of this video. Use my broker to be my VIP signal group, because a lot of my students there, they are making a lot of money. They are printing. So to be in that VIP, two things are always involved. It's either you pay to be in the group, or you're going to use my link of my broker. Then you're going to send me a DM. I'm going to add you straight to the group chat. Two things are always involved. So it is what it is. So better choose wisely. And let's see how we can make money in this space. So guys, I will keep you updated on this trade. Today is Tuesday. This is just the beauty of swing trading. This is just the beauty of swing trading. You just your peace, freedom, active. You just making shilly money. Have you heard of shilly money before? Shilly. I'm just chilling. I'm just printing some blueprints in your blue metas. It is what it is, guys. I will keep you guys updated. See you guys at the top. I love you guys so much. So do it to like, share, comment, and engage. You know what time it is. Share this video to your friends. They should see the experience of trading. That is not easy. And also invite them. So they should come and join and let's make money together. So as I'm doing it, if me I can do it, you can do it. Believe in yourself. One love, me. Peace out, me. One love. Chee. So alright guys, so welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome back. So as you can see, today date is 10th of October. This is in the morning around 10:04. So as you can see on your screen, Euro GBP is moving very smoothly. It's moving very smoothly. So let me open my MetaTrader 5 for you guys. Let's go to trade. Okay, so we are up in $91.50 and 19. So I think yesterday, if I can remember, yesterday I told you guys that I was waiting for a pullback before I could enter. So this was my confirmation of the pullback. So when I saw price pulling back like this around this area, then I had to enter from this place. So that's why you're seeing this other setup that you're seeing. This about $19. So I entered again. So this was the first position, and this is the second position, and this is the third one. So you know what happened, guys? Let me just figure out what happened here, because in the morning when I woke up this morning, when I saw price pulling back like this, I was like, like what's happening? Okay, because of this fair value gap. But normally price is not supposed to get to this fair value gap yet for now. At least it's about to set a trap. You get? So I was like, okay, if okay, what is pushing this price is because of the fair value gap. Well, yeah, no problem. So I set another entry here again. Yeah, I set another entry here that once price gets to this breaker block here, I was like, once price gets to this breaker block here, this breaker block here that you're seeing, it should take me in. So I just came and I just said, price has to chase back there. I was like, this was the normal structure that I was expecting. Which one is that the one that you're now trying to pull back? You know one thing about this Forex here? Let me tell you guys. There's one thing I've observed about this chart. You see these big players, they will always want to scare you. They will always want to put fear in your body. But don't be scared. Regardless, trade. Don't just be scared, because that's what I'm just observing. Because normally, after this move, I was expecting a break from this buy side liquidity here. So I see no reason all these jargons now. Price has not taken out this buy side liquidity and it's coming back to form one kind of a silly trap. And all of those things are moved. So it is what it is. But what you know already, you have already know it, you know. So it is what it is. And for USD/JPY, let's check. That one is close to TPO. That one is moving very sweet, as you can see. So some of you are seeing this position here. This position here, I later on found out that yesterday in my Profem account I'm trading, I set entry around this area, but in this my life account, the entry that I set, there's others, it was different. Selling it. So the different order. Price did not get okay. I set limit at 152,194. She was saying this is 152. This blue line now. This one is 152,192. So around here, but price did not get to that area. I just deleted it. But man, Profile account that I set around this area, that one price triggered it. So on that one, I have to position running in USD JPY. But on this one, it is gone not low. It is gone not low. So you just leave the one position. It's trading. You will still make a lot of money. Opportunities full this chart. Yakpa, don't worry. So I'm just waiting for price to hit my TP. It's gonna sell. All these ones are normal jargon to scare you. But this is now our main focus. Let's go to Euro GBP. This is our main focus here. This was where we started this block from. So as you can see, it's moving very nicely. I'm just waiting for price to just move, do his normal jargons and takes out this buy side liquidity. This is standard buy side liquidity. Then we are off the market. In fact, as I'm even talking to you right now, I've seen the area that price will come and trigger later in the future on this structure. Should I tell you the area? Should I tell you guys the area? Mark this day that I'm telling you guys this thing now. Today is 15 abi. Mark it, and this thing is going to play out maybe first week of November or maybe second week, or let's say late October or first week of November. It's going to play out. You see this area? Let me mark the area for you. Watch out for this other block for Euro GBP in the next future to take your buy entries. Watch out for it. Oh yeah, it's okay, it's good. So it is what it is. You understand? So see you guys at the top, man. I love you guys so much. So let me just be here for like at least 1 minute. Let's see how this is just gonna run. Let's be active. So if you're not in my Telegram group, click the link on the description and join. So if you're not still use my broker, be active. Use the link in the description also to use my broker and send me a DM. I'm gonna activate a bonus for you. So let's see how this is just gonna play out, man. This is trading for you. This is trading for you. Swing trade is very, very sweet. You see, as I'm doing this one now, later now I will have to go to work. I want to work another like 8-hour shift again. You do that one, you will leave the chat. Just gonna be living on. Just gonna be doing your normal life. Come back, you will still meet it. It's that freedom. That is what I'm chasing in Forex. So flexibility. Not every day coming to the chat, be forming setup that is not on the chat. Be 80 stop losses back to back. More. Beauty of swing trade is just this. Very, very interesting. You just trade with peace of mind. No pressure. You understand? Oh, it is what it is. Let's see how this is just gonna play out from now to maybe this weekend. I will keep you guys updated. Let's be active. So do it to like, share, comment, and engage. You know what time it is. I love you guys so much. So see you guys at the top, man. Peace out, man. One love. Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, as you can see, today's date is 16th of October. This is the morning around 9. So guys, guess what? Guess what now? We later hit stop loss. Yes, sure. We stop loss. As you can see on your screen now, it's very shocking. After the whole month that I make yesterday, this is Forex. So this is the main of Forex for you. Forex will humble you. Forex will put you in accord. You understand me? So as you can see now on your screen, guys, you see what's happened. Now price is not coming back to react. Let me show you guys my MT5. Let's go to history. Okay, so this was the trade. It was 3 position. I lost 14, lost 26. No, this one I win 26. That position, the 46 loss. So these are the 3 trades. So guys, as you can see, let me explain. On this trade, there's something I want you guys to learn. You are going to learn a lot on this trade. You are going to learn a lot. I'm going to explain what happened. Now, remember that I caught this entry from here. As it was running, I had to scale up again I had to take another entry from this place. Then now, yesterday, when I saw price pulling back, I had to take another entry again. Now, let me tell you guys the mistake I made from this trade. You guys are going to learn, because we are all learning. Now, the mistake I made from this trade is that I was not supposed to take any entry from here. I think if you can remember, I think either the day 2 or day 3 of this vlog, I actually said I was waiting for price to take out this buy side liquidity here before I can wait for pullback and scale up again. but I was in haste, so I just entered, all in the name of, I just saw maybe one small maybe one small movie. I just entered the structure, one small confirmation, I just entered. So this was where I made a mistake, but with the other trades I didn't make mistake. Now I had to go to higher time frame when I saw price pulling back, retracing around yesterday in the afternoon. I had to go. I was like, okay, why is price coming back? What could be the possible problem that is making price come back? I was like, okay, there's a fair value gap here. Let me just hold on for price to get to this area, around this area. I was like, okay, let me hold on for price to get to this area and react from here. Maybe it's this fair value gap. Maybe it's the gap that is dragging price, or maybe it's the fair value gap that is pushing price to this area. I was like, okay, let me just hold on. Maybe price might react from here and go up. I woke up this morning, I'm seeing jargons, small reaction from here, and now boom. And this was where I put my stop loss before. So I was like having this mindset to take this risk, that okay, even though this one will still be in loss and this one will still be in loss, I was like, okay, let me just hold it for price to take out this sell liquidity here. So I set all the stop loss around there. So I think the money that I was saying that I was about to lose was about $130, everything together. So this last trade I said break even here. So I was like, if price breaks this low, that was it, this setup is invalid already. But with the way I think in Forex and with the way I understand price action, it is very foolish for me to leave this move to come and hit this stop loss here, because this is a confirmation that okay, it's like sellers wants to come in. That's one of the confirmation because of this price action moving aggressively. The second confirmation is I saw this rejection here. First of all, okay, this is the best liquidity that I was expecting price to take at. Price did not take it at. Now, okay, this is not the second one. I was like, okay, no problem. Maybe as price is moving down yesterday when I did that vlog, price was supposed to break here. Price did not break here. Price reacted for me. So it's like telling me that this supply zone is very, very strong. You get? So I was having that conversation. I was like, okay, let me just keep seeing. Maybe price might just come to this area, react for me, and just buy. I was like, okay, let me see. But when I saw this move this morning, it is very foolish for me to leave it to hit my stop loss on that here. I have to close the trade myself. So I later on found out that I lost about $41, which is chinking change. You cannot compare that to the profit that I'll be hitting last week. As you can see, since last week, we have been hitting 71, 140, hitting TP. So you cannot compare it to this one. This one is minor losses. Now let me tell you why. This is not the most important part of this video. Let me tell you why I left this trade. I went to higher time frame. Though I took the trade from higher time frame, but then I observed something. Now let me tell you what these big players are doing. It's a bullish trend. So now what these big players, what they want to do is that you see this zone, you see this area, not even zone, so you see this area. It's a very dangerous zone for buyers to come into this market. As you can see now, what big players are doing now, they are accumulating a lot of late buyers and early buyers around this area. Now they will come and drag all of them. What I'm thinking is that price will come and sweep all of these lows that we are seeing here, sweep them, maybe tap into this area before we see a long again. You understand? So this is what I'm just seeing on the chart. This is what I'm expecting to happen. So for now, but me and Euro GBP, we are done for now. I will just keep observing. Even this says I will not trade it. It's observation, because the higher trend is a bullish trend. See, it is a bullish trend. So I don't know what is the meaning of all this one. So we might see manipulation, and price is going to take all these buyers as stop loss. It's going to take them, tap here and move. So but for now, we'll keep observing. Meanwhile, USD I've cleaned my chart already. That one has hit TPO. Show you saw it. USD I see it there. Hit TPO. So that one that was running yesterday. That's hitting TPO already. So $76. So I'm not supposed to be scared of this one. The only thing we always keep doing is that, okay, this is the forecast setup in the future. So let's go to Euro GBP. So the only thing I will keep saying is that what you will learn from this trade is that number one, you don't enter structure too early. You have to calm down. Allow price to do its thing first before you enter. Now the only thing I'm going to keep telling you that to learn from this price that I took is that whenever you want to take an entry, once you see that price is pulling back correctly to your POI, set your limits. Once price trigger you in, which is sniper, wait for change of character. That's if you want to scale up. I'm teaching you now. If you want to scale up, to scale up is not a bad thing, because if you don't scale up in Forex, you will not make some bastard money. You need to scale up, but you need to scale up smartly. Know when to enter another position whenever you're scaling up. If not, you see this kind of mistake that happened to me now, it will happen to you. So better learn from this mistake now. If you want to scale up, after catching the sniper entry, wait for change of character. With the pullback, find your fair value gap for that block area, put another entry there again, and move. Now, if you want to scale up again before price is going to take out your buy side liquidity, wait for break of structure, internal break of structure first before you enter that position. If not, you see this that happened to me now, it will happen to you. So it is what it is. That's what I just learned. First of all, don't enter too early, because I risk in this trade. Yes, trade is risk. Anything you take here is risk. Even if you are scaling up, it's still risk. So let's not talk about risk part. I actually risk very well. It's just that I entered the market very wrongly around this position. But these two positions, they are good. But you see this last one, this was where I failed. So, but it is what it is. If we cannot compare these losses to the one we have been hitting ever since last week, we have been hitting TP back to back. So we cannot compare it. So guys, do well to like, share, comment, and engage. You know what time it is. See you guys in my next vlog. You understand? I love you guys so much. Share this video to your friends. Like, comment, and engage. Just active like a chivita garlic. And if you have not been in my Telegram group, I don't know what you're waiting for. The link is still in the description. So better click and join. A lot of setup are there already waiting for the future forecasting. You know what time it is. So better go there, active. Now let's make money. The only thing we have to keep doing as a smart trader is that we always keep showing up. Forget about the losses, forget about the outcome. Always keep showing up, repeating the same thing, applying the same risk management. Always keep showing up. Don't give up, because if you give up and you lose, don't worry. See you guys at the top, man. Peace out, man. I love you guys so much. Yay!